present to you the parts and function of this car. First is the hood to protect the engine. Headlight helps you see the road at night or in dark place. License plate shows the car's registration number for identification. Indicator light banks to show the direction left or right when turning. Windshield, the front glass that protects the driver and passenger from wind, dust, and debris. Outside mirror, let the driver see the vehicle or objects at the side behind. Door handle, used to open and close the door. Wheel, this is the wheel, helps the car move and support vehicles with. Window, allow you to see outside and can be open for air. Next, windshield wiper to remove rain or water, dust, or other debris. Next is the roof, the top part of the car that protects passenger from sun and air. Is the gasoline tank to store fuel, to tank and hold the gasoline. Next is the tail light to improve visibility and signal to other drivers. Next, trunk. Then back wiper and back plate number. Now in the interior engine or the parts of the engine. This is the radiator, engine, battery, and the water tank. Next, and the interior function. Let's go inside. This is the front seat and the back seat. And seat belt keeps the driver and passenger safe during sudden stop or accident. Steering wheel used by driver to control and turn the direction of the car. Speedometer, this one, the speedometer, show how fast the car is movements. Accelerator, this one, the accelerator, makes the car go faster when fast. Ignition key, used to start the car. Brake, this one, the brake, slow down or stop the car. Gear shifter lever, this one, used to change gear. And next, handbrake, this is the handbrake, keeps the car from moving when parking. Rear view mirror, this one, lets the driver see the road and vehicles behind the car. And the horn, used to alert or warn other driver or people on the road to be in safety. Visor, window switch, and the full cap. That's all for my presentation, sir, and thank you.